So you just bought your new house and you're looking for a tree to plant in your front yard? Paw Paw. A Paw Paw takes about 5 years before it starts producing fruit. And the fruit it does produce is very tropical. And it's surprising to me that you can grow something like this in a state where you have very cold winters. But let's cut into this bad boy and I'm gonna show you what it's all about. So now you know it's ripe when it's kind of soft to the touch, but let's cut into it. Now there's seeds in it. So let's see here. There we go. Crack it open. And there it is. It's kind of custardy. And it tastes like a blend between a mango and a papaya. So you eat it with a spoon. So you get the seeds out. And this is perfectly ripe right now. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Let me eat it. Oh my God. This is the Shenandoah Paw Paw. Oh my God, I can't even describe what that tastes like. It's just so good. It's like a banana and a papaya and a mango. Absolutely delicious. I don't know why they're not in every damn supermarket. Here, Vince, you try some.
Okay. It's the first time I've eaten a papaya. Paw Paw.
Okay.
I don't want to read them though.
What do you think?
Oh wow. It's sweet. Like, it is this sweet taste. I can't describe. It's really good.
Yeah.
That's more.
So I bought this Paw Paw tree from a website called ediblelandscaping.com, and they have their nursery out in Charlottesville. So one thing that's really, really awesome about the Paw Paw tree is that there's zero maintenance involved. You plant the tree in the ground and you don't have to do anything to it. Bugs will leave it alone, no insect bites, nothing eating the leaves, no cedar rust or any kind of diseases. You don't have to spray it. It's just fire and forget.